Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Carter, Director of Educational Content and Programs at Shape America, and I'm happy to be introducing another season of Toy Talk Tuesday. Shape America Teachers of the Year represent the best health, dance, adaptive physical education, and physical education teachers across the United States, and you can get tips from them here on Toy Talk Tuesdays, a series of bi-weekly videos straight from our Shape America District and National Teachers of the Year. So make sure you hit the subscribe button below to catch every video. And if you're interested in becoming a Shape America Teacher of the Year, click the link to get more information. We hope you enjoy this season of Toy Talk Tuesday.
Hi there, it's a Toy Talk Tuesday with Jessica Matheson, your 2022 National Health Education Teacher of the Year. Today, we're going to talk about organizing your Google Drive. If you are anything like me, you use your Google Drive a ton. If you're not like me, I recommend you start to use your Google Drive a ton. I love it. I use it for everything, even like my holiday address labels. So, strongly recommend it. So, here's what you need to do. Some tips. So, first one. When you're in your Google Drive, create folders. So think of this like your file cabinet, okay? In your file cabinet, you've got multiple folders. This is your digital file cabinet. We don't want everything on our main Google Drive page. We want it organized within different folders. So click New and then select Folder. It's going to prompt you to make a title. Please, please, please make a title. Title it whatever you choose to do, okay? Just make sure to put a title. Second, then color code those folders. So what you'll do is right click on that folder and select change color. You'll see a beautiful color palette that you can use. So on the right here, you can see I've got different units that I do within my health education classes. I've titled them Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3. That's because Google Drive will automatically alphabetize all of your folders. So I wanted them sequentially based on how I teach them. So I used the numbers to do it. You do what works for you. And then I put it in beautiful rainbow order. Next then, to organize, let's clean it up. So use that search feature at the top of your Google Drive, search untitled, okay? What you'll do then is you'll come up with a bunch of documents that are just untitled. You simply didn't put a title to them. Take a look at it, figure out what it is, right click on it, select rename. Repeat that process once you're all done with those untitled and look at that copy of. If you pulled something off of social media, if someone shared something with you, maybe a coworker, and you've made a copy of it, it is going to say copy of and then the title of that file, whatever it may be. So just make sure then to rename it, even if it's just simply removing that copy of, you do what works for you. Fourth thing then, move those files into the folders. So going with the paper analogy, if we've got a stack of paper on our desk, we want to put it into those folders. That's what we're going to do here in Google. If you've got it on your main Drive page, we just created folders. Now let's use them. Right click on the document, select Move To, and then choose the folder location, wherever it may be. Last tip, use your personal Google Drive account. I say this because you never know when you're going to change a job. You never know when maybe your school accounts will be disabled. Ours got hacked once. Couldn't use it. I did everything in my personal Google Drive. I had no issues. But if you're going to do it this way and you still want to share on, say, Google Classroom, what you're going to need to do is then share it to your school account. So you'll right click on whatever folder you're going to be using, select share, and then type in your school email address. Make sure then to change the permissions to editor. And right there, you're good to go. You can post documents from your personal Google account into your school's Google Classroom or whatever the student management system your school uses. I hope these were super helpful. Go organize your Google Drive. Get it all cleaned up. It takes time. Be patient, just like putting the files away on your desk does as well. But just get it out just a little bit at a time, and eventually you'll be organized. Thank you.